Most mechanical sewing machines sold online are cheaply made and barely last a single project. A wrong pick wastes your time and your wallet ends up with regret. Ever wish you could sew perfect seams without fighting with tension all day? This video breaks down the top mechanical models so you can pick confidently. Today, I'm going to be going over the best mechanical sewing machine that you can get right now. All of the products mentioned are linked in the description, so check them out if you're interested in any of them. With that, let's begin. At number 5, we have the Singer 4423. From the moment you unbox it, the Singer Heavy Duty feels solid and approachable, targeting hobbyists seeking reliability and versatile projects. Its heavy-duty metal frame and stainless steel bedplate deliver stability during sewing, minimizing vibrations while maintaining smooth fabric feeding across layers. Designed for frequent use, it blends a modern meltwater blue aesthetic with practical durability that suits skill levels from beginner to experienced hobbyist. The construction centers on a heavy-duty metal frame that delivers durability and stability, greatly reducing vibrations for precise stitching throughout long sessions. A compact footprint with accessible controls makes it suitable for home studios and small spaces, while remaining comfortable for long sessions. Practical threading features include a top drop and bobbin with transparent cover and an adjustable presser foot pressure for versatile fabrics. It combines 97 stitch applications with an automatic needle threader and a one-step buttonhole for seamless setup. The extra long stitch length option is ideal for basting and handling thicker materials such as denim, canvas, and leather. Engineered for heavy fabrics, the motor supplies 50% more power than standard machines, easing multi-layer denim and leather tasks. A reliable reverse lever reinforces seams, while the top drop and bobbin system enables quick thread changes and steady stitching. The automatic needle threader eliminates eye strain and speeds setup, keeping focus on fabric selection and stitch alignment. The adjustable presser foot pressure ensures consistent stitching across delicate silks to heavy fabrics, stabilizing feed and reducing puckering. Compared to a standard entry-level machine, this model offers a sturdier metal frame, more stitch options, and stronger overall performance. The pros include sturdy metal frame for durability, 97 stitch options, and an automatic needle threader for effortless setup. The cons include heavier weight than typical machines and a steeper learning curve for beginners adjusting to advanced features. At number 4, we have the Janome 1522DG. Designed for ambitious beginners and sewists craving quality aesthetics, this machine balances approachable controls with a sturdy metal framework for lasting confidence. The aesthetic dark gray housing hides a robust metal frame that promises durability and steady operation during heavy projects. Its bulk is balanced by an extra-wide sewing bed, giving quilts and large garments ample space to glide under the needle. A thoughtfully designed accessory storage compartment keeps everything within reach, which reduces setup time and keeps your workspace organized. With 22 stitches spanning utility, stretch, quilting, and decorative categories, plus a one-step buttonhole, it covers most projects. The flip-up reference chart keeps options visible at a glance, reducing the guesswork for beginners learning new stitches. The needle plate markings are patented, offering precise seam allowances and repeatable results when working with multiple layers. Precision across fabrics is supported by a 3-setting foot pressure dial and easy cloth feeding for voile to denim. Compared to a similar entry-level machine like the Brother CS6000, the Janome feels sturdier and offers more table space. The pros include solid metal frame, 22 stitches, and built-in needle threader. The cons include weight that makes portability challenging and a lack of modern electronic features. Real-world testing shows the extra-wide sewing bed and bright LED lighting really help manage large projects with confidence. The large open-top storage compartment keeps accessories organized and within reach, cutting downtime between projects. Overall, the Janome 1522DG is a purpose-built performer blending aesthetics with practical sewing science on every project. At number 3, we have the Brother XR3774. From first glance, this machine targets beginners and quilters alike, offering a broad stitch library and approachable features that promise versatile outcomes. Solid construction communicates durability with a sturdy frame and reliable materials that resist flex during quilting and frequent sewing sessions. The included wide table expands the workspace, enabling easier fabric handling and straight seams across larger projects like quilts. The machine arrives with a protective cover and 8 sewing feet, plus a wide table and an instructional DVD to speed learning. An automatic needle threader and a jam-resistant drop and top bobbin simplify setup, reducing frustration for novices tackling challenging fabrics. Free arm versatility enables round seams and cuffs, while the built-in threading mechanism minimizes manual effort during long days of sewing. Voltage is standard for United States outlets, reinforcing safety and compatibility for home hobbyists by aligning with common household power supplies. In real-world testing, the machine delivers steady feeding and consistent stitch quality across fabrics from cotton to denim. During everyday use, the machine maintains stable performance with smooth feed dogs and balanced presser foot pressure that yield dependable results across projects. Compared to a basic entry model, this sewing machine delivers 37 stitches and a larger work surface for quilters seeking versatility. Real-world performance shows steady stitch alignment when moving between fabric types, with decorative stitches shaping projects that feel professional and polished. Beginners quickly learn the automatic features and material handling, while seasoned sewists appreciate the quilting stitches and reliable consistency during long sessions. The pros include excellent stitch variety, automatic needle threader, and wide work surface. The cons include higher price than basic models and domestic voltage restriction. At number 2, we have the Brother ST371HD. From the moment you unpack it, the machine projects a rugged all-metal build with a compact footprint perfect for busy studios. This model targets both beginners and seasoned sewers who demand dependable performance when handling multiple layers of denim, leather, and fabric blends. Its build blends a sturdy frame with a smooth feed system and a durable metal needle plate that guides thick materials reliably. Automatic needle threader and jam-resistant drop-in top bobbin streamline setup, letting you focus on stitching rather than threading frustrations. Included accessories total 6 feet plus manual and extras, expanding capabilities for zigzag hemming, zippers, blind hems, and decorative stitching tasks. The free arm design unlocks practical access to cuffs, sleeves, and hems, enabling quick repairs and alterations across a wide garment range. At your side, support from Brother adds confidence with online chat, phone, and community guidance available for the life of the machine. Real-world testing shows steady performance across common fabrics and thick layers thanks to the metal frame, presser feet, and reliable bobbin system. Free motion capabilities emerge via the drop feed feature, inviting experimentation with quilting, embroidery-style seams, and freehand guiding. Speed is a practical consideration as the machine can reach 800 stitches per minute while maintaining control for consistent results. When compared with a popular lightweight model like the CS6000i, this machine feels substantially more robust for heavy fabrics. The pros include sturdy build, an expansive stitch library, consistent top feed, and a reliable automatic needle threader that speeds up setup and projects. The cons include heavier weight and a learning curve compared to entry-level machines. At number 1, we have the Singer 500. The Singer heavy-duty bundle pairs the powerful machine with a matching hard case, delivering portability, organization, and durable storage for every project. A robust all-metal frame and sturdy construction provide stable performance across fabrics from light cotton to heavy leather, ensuring consistent stitching. Powered by a strong motor and reliable mechanism, this model handles thick materials with ease while maintaining even feed and smooth operation. HD 500 offers 23 built-in stitches including utility, stretch, and a one-step buttonhole with 110 applications. A built-in needle threader and top drop-in bobbin eliminate common threading hassles, keeping your workflow smooth and time-efficient. The included carrying case is lightweight, rigid, with a non-slip tray and safety lock clasp to secure the machine during transport. During testing, stitch formation remained even across a spectrum of fabrics, and the feed dogs delivered steady fabric advancement without skipped stitches. Compared to the Janome HD 300, the Singer 500 bundle offers a more comprehensive case and greater stitch variety. The pros include excellent build quality, a comprehensive bundle with accessories, and versatile stitch options that cover a wide range of projects. The cons include higher price and heavier weight compared to compact models, plus a steeper learning curve for novices adjusting to its power. The case includes a non-slip inner tray that cushions and stabilizes the machine during storage and transport. An integrated LED lighting system illuminates the workspace, helping precise needle placement and visibility in low-light sewing conditions. It features a one-step buttonhole function that streamlines project setup and guarantees consistent buttonhole sizing across fabrics. For dedicated hobbyists and small studios seeking reliability, this machine represents a solid investment in power, durability, and long-term sewing satisfaction.